Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, today I am doing a review video. I get so excited when people reach out to me and ask me to review products. Now I get a lot of stuff. I'd be like, that's one thing I got. And I was like, oh my word, like why? Why? Just no. But there are a few companies that I really like to partner with. And I'm partnering again with Artsa, you guys. Artsa is the Holy Land experience. I've done one box on my channel before. I did the Jerusalem box, and y'all know I was blubbering like a big old baby. Just like, oh my God, you know, where Jesus was, walked along, and all the things. So they reached out to me again and asked me if I would partner with them again. I said, absolutely, I would love it. So this time I'm previewing a box from Galilee. Let's jump right in. All right, you guys, I'm so excited to show you my box. This is my box from Galilee. This is the Holy Land delivered. So I always think about having that Holy Land experience. I have not had it, and I would really love to go and walk where Jesus walked. But I'll take it this way if this is the only way I can get it for now. It's on the bucket list. So what this company does is they will find different artisans and craftsmen and craftswomen from the area. This time it's in Galilee, and they will pick a sample item and put them all in a box and send them to you. So everything comes from one of those artisans in the area. I've had things like chocolate covered coffee beans, spices to go in your different foods. We've had hand soap. We got a hand soap that was really good, smelled wonderful. We've got scrolls to be put up in your house, a pendant necklace we got one time. This is a subscription box. It comes every quarter, so you'll get a box every quarter. They did give me a coupon code, and so I will put that down in the description box below or somewhere across the screen if I can remember to put it up there, and you will get, I think it's, I don't want to say what the percentage is because I can't remember, but I'll put it across the screen off on your first order. So let's jump right in and see what we have. I'm always excited. Everything is so beautifully labeled, and they give you, this is what the box looks like opened. And then here's how pretty everything is packaged. You get a brochure on Galilee itself. And then I also loved all of the Hebrew words that they put in there. Every box, they'll teach you something different. Some different Hebrew words and what they look like. So you get there's three postcards in here. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Here's one. So this is a postcard. And then on the back, it tells you about the Galilean boat. And you can actually send this to someone. Then you get this one. This is the Mount of the Beatitudes. That's another postcard. That's really pretty. This has a verse on it, Matthew 5:6. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. And then here's a recipe for hummus. And this recipe came from Israel. So a recipe for hummus. And the recipe is on the back, and you can follow that to make this hummus. Isn't that pretty? Then they give you, each of the artisans have a card in here, and it tells you about that particular artisan. This first one tells you what's going to be in your box. Right, so here's the card, and then it tells you what's in the box. So we have handmade lemon lime body scrub. Oh, yes, Lord. Hand dipped decorative candles. Oh, nice. Handmade ceramic bowl, award-winning olive oil, chocolate spread from an artisanal spread maker, custom spice blend. Following the footsteps of Jesus card game. And for your premium subscribers, we partner with the Galilean Basic Mosaic Stone Maker to source 7 stones from the region, which you can use to create your own mosaic replica of the mosaics that adorn churches from Jesus's time in the region. So that is so exciting. Then they also have like a QR code on the back. You can scan that, and it'll take you through how to join their email group or their Facebook group. And then you can also refer a couple of friends. Once you refer 3 friends, you earn a free box. So that's the second QR code that's on the back of that. So let's jump in and see what we have. I always get excited about this. And then this is Welcome to Galilee. And on the back of this, see, I like these for my kids because we're all, you know, history is something that we do in homeschool. And so it tells us a little bit about Galilee. And then at the bottom, it gives us Hebrew words. And then how you write them in Hebrew. And then how you pronounce them in Hebrew. So there's always 5 words or so on the back of the cards. So I'll be collecting these for my kids and making sure that we just go through these so that they can learn some of the history as well. My kids are very learned in the Bible. Jackson specifically. Jackson just is a sponge for knowledge, but he's always been very attuned with the scriptures. And so that would be really good for him to go back and learn those things. And everything is packaged so nicely. I always hate tearing the paper. Okay. Okay, so the first thing it said was handmade lemon scrub. Let's look for that. This must be it. No, that's the chocolate spread. That's not the scrub. Handmade lemon scrub. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this is it. Okay, y'all. This is lemon and lime, honey and oat gentle peeling scrub, right? So let's open this. Comes in this drawstring bag, which is really nice. Look at this. Oh, and I love lemon. Lemon is my favorite scent of all times. You can smell it. Oh my goodness, look at that. So it's just a little sample size, but even this sample size comparative to my hand, you know, look at that. So it's a sample size, but my goodness, and it smells amazing. You can see where they wrapped it in cloth and cut it. You can see all the oat specks, the specks of oat in there, but it smells delicious. I love that. That's my fave. You can even smell it through the bag. Oh my, I think I'm gonna put that in my bathroom just for hand washing. Or actually maybe in the kitchen because I really love lemon in my kitchen. Hand dipped decorative candles. Okay, let's see. This, oh, okay, dipped tapers. So these are tapered candles. They're hand dipped. And then each item, right, comes with a card from the artisan. So this comes, the soap comes from Michael's Soap. And then on the back, it tells you about the artisan himself or herself. And so every item has a card that tells you about that specific artisan. And then the candles came from Safed Candles, hand-dipped candles. Light on festive occasions to bring light into your home. And this has a scripture, John 8:12. Again, Jesus spoke to them saying, I am the light of the world. Whoever follow me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. And so this is this particular artisan company. And those are the candles that go with it. I love all these. These are lovely. The next thing that's in there is a ceramic bowl with custom imprints just for Artsa, inspired by the Sea of Galilee and the miracle of the loaves. So look at this little bowl. Oh, pretty, pretty. Oh no, it chipped a little. It's okay. Ah, doggone. In transit, I'm sure. But look at that. Look how pretty that is. That's a fish and the loaves of bread. Oh, you can even see the little intricateness. I don't know if you can see it, y'all, but look how pretty that is. It did chip a little in transit. Oh, look, and on the back, look at that. Can you see that little inscription there? This comes from Idamar Even. Here's the artisan that made this one. So, so pretty. I thought it was just going to be clear white, but that is gorgeous. Look at that. And you see the fish and the basket of bread inside. How pretty is that? I would love that. The next thing in there is olive oil. Oh, yes. Let me go here with this olive oil because y'all know I'm doing Whole 30, right? So this is extra hopeful olive oil produced collaboratively by Arab and Jewish women in Israel. Extra virgin olive oil is 8.45 ounces. It's about 17 tablespoons in this. And then this is Sinyana of Galilee, a nonprofit organization. So that's who made this. This one right here gives you a little bit about their company. And also, this is the card that goes with this one. But look at this, y'all. Now, if it's an edible item that I'm unable to eat, oh my goodness, I can't even wait. I'm using this today. Today, the end. I usually try to pass it along just because of my special diet, you know, doing Whole 30. But I cannot, I love olive oil. I love good tasting olive oil. So I can't even wait. And this is 8.45 ounces. That's a big, that's not even just a little sample size. This right here, everything is full sized of how it would come if you were to order it separately. The next thing in there is chocolate spread. Last time we got a chocolate spread. So let me see what this looks like. I think it's reminiscent of like Nutella, but that's just what I'm thinking. It might not be. There was no card for this one though. So I'll see. Comes bubble wrapped. I'm almost certain that that bowl should not have chipped, but in, you know, just in the transport. This is nectar spread, cocoa and nuts. It's vegan. Sesame, coconut flour, nectar, cocoa, hazelnuts. I might could have this even on Whole 30. Let me see, sugar. There are some sugars in here. Ingredients: tahini, nectar from coconut flour. No, there's nothing sugar. I could have this on Whole 30. I could have that. Look at that. And this is 9.17 ounces. Tahini. I'm going to have to taste this to see. But look how large that jar is comparative. The full-size jars, y'all. The next thing in there is a custom spice blend. Have this on my lap. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, we got some of this. This is hummus seasoning, which goes with the card for the hummus. So, and I've been trying to make whole 30 hummus, but look at this. Dried tomatoes, onion powder, coriander, paprika, garlic powder, basil, sumac, cumin, salt, marjoram, parsley, black pepper, oregano, chili powder, and a little sugar. I could probably still have this, right? I could probably still have this. It is 3.5 ounces. Look at that. It says, in the meadows of Bethlehem in the Galilee is a farm growing herbs and spices of the highest quality. Its secret magic lies in agricultural methods developed over 70 years of farming the soil of the region. Our vision is to spread the culture of spices through a wide range of spice blends for cooking, for health and well-being, and a never-ending passion for creating new products. That's on the top of that. How awesome is that? Love, love, love. All of that. Look how pretty. That's awesome. Okay, let's see. There's a couple more things in here. You get a pretty big box. Oh, this is a premium box. Okay, here's a card game. Jesus' Footsteps, Explore Christ's Journey in the Holy Land. So this, again, is one of the game consists of cards resembling mini handbooks, giving you a full experience of fun and knowledge. So again, just a learned game. So the kids and I could learn. If we wanted to actually take a trip through Galilee, we could journey through. Oh, it's from Grandpa's Footsteps. Love that. All good for learning. Every box we've had some type of a learning thing for kids. And then the last thing are the mosaic beads. Oh, look at that. Holy Land. 100% natural, 100% from the Holy Land. Look at these. Look how tiny. Different colors, intricate. It does give you a warning that there's a choking hazard. So, you know, keep this, you know, out from small kids. It says not for children under 10 years, adult supervision. So, because these are little small stones, but you can make a mosaic out of this. This is so neat. This is a part of the premium box. So I'm loving this. So everything that came in the box is all nicely packaged. Everything is full size. We love getting these types of, see, I'm already going to get weepy or whatever, you know, just to think about my Lord and Savior, to think about where he came from and what he did for me. And, you know, I get emotional every time I think about Jesus, just because he does so many things for me. And to really have a piece, even if it's just a small part through this small box, of where he was and where he lived, and maybe some of the things he ate, or some of the things that were going on in the village while he was in the village as a child. Maybe there was candle making happening, or soap making. You know, people had to make, a means to support themselves. And so it was just extremely, extremely beautiful to be able to partner and have it's just a small piece of where he's from. And will I ever get the full experience? I pray so. So I'm not really sure if I will or not, but to be able to have some pieces, and them to be authentic pieces, to me is a blessing. It makes my heart happy. It makes my heart sing. It makes me feel like, even though I'm not there, I can see some of the places that he might have walked, and places that he blessed as he was on his journeys. And even all these years later, it's still a blessed place. So it just makes me weepy. Y'all know how I get when I'm talking about the Lord. So y'all pray for me. Y'all know how I am. Big old baby over here when we talking about Jesus. He does all the things for me. So anywho, I'm excited to share with you this Artza box. I hope that you'll take a few minutes, look down the description box below, check out their website, check out the boxes that they have for subscription. There will be a coupon code that you can use to get something off of your first order. And remember, it comes every quarter or so. Right around every quarter or so. So we're really excited about this. I make nothing from this company. There's no sponsorship there. We're just in a partnership for me to bring you this, because this is something that makes my heart happy. So I don't get any kickbacks from anything that you purchase. I just get the enjoyment of knowing that you get the same experience that I do. I've never even been to Galilee, and I'm still feeling overwhelmed with the thoughts that Jesus was there. It was an actual place that he was. And then my kids will be able to go, and we'll actually start working on these Hebrew words, and we'll look at the game. We're home for the summer, all the things that we can do right now to get in a little bit more knowledge without it actually being like school. It'll be a fun thing. And then different parts of my home, I put the soap in one of the bathrooms or in the kitchen. And every time we use something, the spices in our food or what have you, every time we use something, we'll be reminded of him and his sacrifice and where he came from and what he did. And so anywho, I just wanted to share this box with you guys. I really hope that you will check it out. If you check it out and order it, would you please let me know? Leave us a comment down below. If you already ordered it before and you love the things that you got, we would love to hear that. So there it is, you guys, our Artsa review. We're giving it a thumbs up. We hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.